Hello guys, I'm back. I have not quit YouTube. I have saved up a lot of money to buy wheels, tires, sensor to the tires, a front lip and other stuff. So I'm gonna upload around 3-4 videos the coming month. We also going to Sweden's biggest car show, Elmia Jönköping. I'm gonna film some nice car there and upload also. So a lot going on, so make sure to stay on the channel for more. Like you can see right here, I have a box here. I have not looked in it yet, so let's open it. Here we have some bolts for the wheels, very nice. More. I think you already know what it is. A super nice carbon fiber front lip. It's super light, actually. It weighs like a half a kilo maybe. It's surprisingly light, actually. I hope this gonna fit really well. Guys, look at this! This looks amazing! I actually need to go to the store, the local store, and buy some 3M tape. Because I just have the cheap, shitty double duct tape. And I wanna make sure this stay on place, but this cost a fortune for me. Because I want the plastic black, not the carbon fiber, but if I ordered that, I needed to wait 56 weeks for that, and I didn't want to wait so long, and this was just 6 days waiting time. So yeah, it cost $450 US. So it's pretty expensive for a front lip, in my opinion. But yeah, it's the real carbon fiber, so that's why it's so expensive. But hell, it looks really good. I'm impressed. So yeah, I will be back soon.
Much later.
So I'm back from the shop. I don't got 3M tape, but I got this. He told me this is pretty strong too. So yeah, I hope this gonna work fine. I want to show you one more thing. Look at this. This is the splitter under. It looks extremely nice. The problem is this is not flat under. So I don't know how I gonna place it. Of course I can put some block between here. That maybe work, but I'm not sure yet how. But I'm gonna fix it. I don't know how for now, but I want this so bad because it looks badass. And I'm gonna protect the carbon fiber here so I don't scratch this. So this always gonna look good when I take it off later. So I really want the splitter under. So I don't need to buy a new one because I'm gonna scratch this a lot if I don't have that. So that is a really important thing to put on. What I'm doing here in the corner of the front, I actually reuse the hole to those screws. So I just made a hole here so I can reuse it. So I hope it will line up good. So guys, we are done and it looks amazing. I mean, look at this. I know I said before I don't like carbon fiber. I changed my mind. It looks amazing. And it's not fit 100% perfect because, you know, carbon fiber is carbon fiber. You can see here, I don't know if I can pick it up, but here you see it pretty clearly. Yeah, it's not right. I probably gonna fix it, but not now, because I have 1,000 things to do. But Jesus, this is sexy. So this is how easy it is to change, install a Frontlip. I hope you like it, and don't forget to subscribe and like the video. See ya in the next video when we change wheels and tires.